Hello everyone. I'm going to explain how to install C application app in your mobile. For installing C coding application app in your mobile, just you have to go to your Play Store. In your Play Store, just you have to search for C coding app. So this is the official C coding application for practicing C programs in your Android mobile or iOS mobile. So for installing it, just you have to click on install option. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes, depends on your internet speed. Once installation process completed, it will ask you to open the application. So you can easily practice any coding problems related to C with this app. Just once the installation completed, it will ask you to open the app. Just click open. So this is the C coding app. So for practicing any programs with this app, you can use Hello World. For example, I want to write the code for biggest of two numbers. For example, for your convenience, you can write biggest of two numbers. So this is the documentation section. Biggest of two numbers, for example. Now, for writing the code for biggest of the two numbers, you have to read the two variables int a comma b. For coding, don't use printf statement for enter a value, enter b value. Directly you can use scanf. So scanf, you can use directly this one, scanf. So for scanf, just we have to write two percentage d's. So first one is for a, the second one is for b. So read two percentage d. So first value stored at ampersand a, second value is stored at ampersand b. After reading a value and b value, write the code for which is the biggest value. So what is the code? For checking true or false, we have to use if else statement. If a greater than b. So here what is a greater than b is nothing but I am thinking is a value is greater. So whatever assumption is, you have to mention in the condition. In my condition, I thought that a value is the greater value. So whatever your thinking related to condition, you have to specify in true block. So this is the true block. In true block, you have to mention a is big. In case your assumption is wrong, go to else block. In else block, again we have to mention printf. So what is the alternative? Alternative is b is big. In case first one is true, true block will be executed. Otherwise, else block will be executed. So this is the code. If you want to save this code, just click menu, here save as. So just I want to write big program dot c. So save it. Click OK, then automatically it will save in your mobile. If you want to open again, just click menu, click open. Automatically, wherever the file is available, if you move to the particular location, you can easily open the file and also you can run the code. Now I want to run it. Just click run button. So it will ask you to enter value. Because I am not enter any printf enter a value, enter b value. Just have to enter a value. A value is 89. Next value, suppose 90. Which is the biggest value? So a is 89, b is 90. So I am thinking that a is greater, but here condition is false. So definitely what is the answer? B is the big. You can easily practice any program related to C in this app. If you use this app to practice coding, definitely it will be very, very helpful for you for improving your coding skills. If you are having laptops, you can better to use laptop. In case if you are not having any laptops, I request you to practice this app for practicing C coding challenges. Thank you all.